Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Please give me a like, subscribe if you like my content. Today we're going to be cooking what's known in the trade as Jalfrezi onions. Now, it doesn't just go in Jalfrezis, it goes in sort of quite a lot of things. You've got sort of karais, Jalfrezis, and the lovely onions and peppers that go on top of the starter. So your chicken tikkas, lamb tikkas, sheikh kebab, it's spiced onions basically. And I'm going to show you how to cook them today. Okay, so as you can see, we've got green peppers, red peppers, and onions. So you want to chop about 3 of each, 3 green peppers, 3 red peppers. You want to keep a nice width to them because when you do pre-cook them, they will shrink. So you want to kind of keep them around a couple of centimetres. So what we've done is we've cut the pepper in half, then in a quarter. So as you can see, he's cut most of the peppers up now. They'd be really nice colours with the red, the green and the onions. So just a little bit's left over, just been cut now. And then we're going to just place them sort of in a bucket, this sort of a 10-kilo bucket. So that's all the peppers done now. Going to go into the onions. Now you want to be careful with the onions. As you can see, we're cutting the end of it. The end of it will keep them joined. So you want to get rid of the ends of the onions, so they're not all bunched together, all the onions. So when you do cut them in strips, they won't be joined. The end bit just keeps them joined. Okay, so again, same size as the green peppers and the red peppers. You know, you want to keep them a bit chunky, as I mentioned, they do shrink. So yeah, just keep chopping the onions. This would do, I believe, around 40 portions of curries. Probably about similar 40 portions of starters on the top. But yeah, it is really gives a nice flavour to the starters, just gives it that texture. So we're putting the oil in now, and garlic and ginger paste. So you want to stir well, let the garlic and ginger paste just cook for a little bit. Just mix it around, let it get a little bit brown. So as you can see, mine's just starting to get a little bit brown. You don't want to overcook it too much or burn it. Okay, so we've got Panch Puran there. Goes in quite a lot of our stuffs. It's a mixture of different things in there. Calendula's in there. You've got the fennel seeds in there. Panch Puran, you can buy it from most Asian supermarkets or Asian shops that will have it, food stores. That'll give it a nice flavour, nice texture as well. So we've got whole turmeric, about 35 grams of it. And then you want to lower the gas slightly if you can, so it doesn't burn the spice. But I've got quite a bit of oil in there, so it should be okay. And then you're putting in all your peppers and onions in there. And then you've got the rest of them. And some salt. Salt would just help, you know, caramelise it a little bit quicker. It's not going to be very salty in sort of that much onions and peppers, but what it will do, cook a little bit faster. So we're just going to mix it. Make sure you scrape the bottom, because what happens is the bottom, the spices, can burn at the bottom. So it's important to just scrape the bottom. Right, so we've let it cook for a bit. Then we're going to stir it again. So it's important to keep it stirring because the bottom will get overcooked from the top. So you just want to scrape the bottom to the top. Now that's pretty much done. You don't want to overcook it, otherwise it'll be quite soggy. We've done it sort of half cooked because they will get cooked in a curry again, or they'll get reheated on a starter. But yeah, you don't want it too overcooked, it'll go quite soggy. But as you can see there, we've got 4 containers there. It's going to roughly do about 10 portions in each container, so 40 portions of cooked spiced onions and peppers. Hope you enjoyed this video, guys. Give us a like, subscribe, and drop me a comment if you've got any questions that I can help you with.